to the dish on Oz, and we are gearing up for the unofficial kickoff to summer this weekend, and we have some backyard barbecue recipes you go on to add to your menu no matter where you are. My daughter Daphne is here with her foodie friends, TV host and best-selling cookbook author Maria Menounos, bringing us the best of Greek tradition. Former professional boxer, cooking and lifestyle champ Laila Ali's back in the kitchen. Oh yeah, I like it. And of course, Jamika Pessoa. She's on some of the biggest Food Network shows, and she's a superstar in many ways, on TV and off. Daphne, what's on the menu today?
First up is a simple and delicious backyard barbecue all day long today on the dish. First up are Maria's delicious barbecue Greek burgers. I cannot wait to try these.
Mykonos burgers, people.
Mykonos burgers. We're traveling with our food today. We have margarita marinated barbecue ribs.
What?
With a surprise guest who's bringing the perfect side. And then we're going to give you an inside look at how a chef shops the big box stores to find the very best food, okay? It's a packed show today. So before we get cooking, let me ask you one thing. In one word, tell everybody what is the best thing about a backyard barbecue.
For me, it's the smell, because that smell of that charcoal going, like, that's how you know whose house you're going to. It's like, they cook it, we going. Like, that's how you know. Follow the smell.
Your nose, okay? I like that. How
I
about
just
you?
think of sauce.
Ooh,
Sauce.
sweet. See, saucy.
Yeah.
I like sauce.
I love the sounds of kids yelling and screaming. That's what I like, as they compete and do things to build up an appetite so you can feed them.
Now, I like that too. Sauce, sound, smell. Maria?
I just like being outside. And so for me, it's just being outside and hosting people and having everybody jumping in pools and then like grabbing a burger and then jumping back in and, you know, hopefully not drowning.
You love to entertain. You're definitely, everyone comes to your house. I feel like, did you hear her?
I love that.
That's like the cutest thing ever. For me, it's eating with my hands. With a bib sometimes, but at least leaned over the. I just love it.
You putting a bib on?
If you invite me to your saucy outside, smelling, sounding, don't drown pool parties,
Right.
I am there, and I am there for the win. Okay.
Taking that picture and posting it. Just like that.
Make sure these are not like.
So, you guys,
burning
Maria,
over here.
well, Laila, you live in LA too, but Maria lives in LA, and your family does love to use your backyard barbecue all year round, which I'm so jealous.
Oh, yeah.
Look we got this cute picture of you cooking like,
Look at
what
it,
is
look at
this?
it.
That was
Thanksgiving dinner
actually
on the grill?
Thanksgiving dinner because we were renovating our house and we didn't have a kitchen to cook Thanksgiving in. So my mom said, well, we'll cook outside. So I didn't realize, guys, you can cook anything in there. We made lasagna in the grill.
I love that.
Like the first Thanksgiving.
Exactly.
Took us back to the beginning.
The grill
Yeah.
can do so much. And today you're going to show us your world-famous Mykonos burgers.
Yes.
Talk me through this recipe. Dish the
So
details.
a Mykonos burger, it's a lot more exciting than just your average burger. So we've got some feta cheese, some parsley, some Dijon mustard, garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you want fresh garlic.
Yes.
But I like to give you the option of the powder because it's in your cabinet generally and it's usually there. So that's
Yes.
nice. So you mix that all together.
A little Dijon mustard,
And then you
little herbs.
add this little ingredient, which is a Worcestershire sauce.
Shia.
Now-
Depends on where you live.
Worcester.
I don't know how to say it properly.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire?
Yeah.
There is no way.
You're from
There's no
Boston.
way those letters come together in Worcestershire. So anyway, Worcestershire.
Anyway,
Worcestershire.
British is Worcestershire. The Turkish is Worcestershire.
No, the Turks don't have
All right, it's got vinegar, garlic, and onions, and all this good stuff. But the real secret ingredient, anchovies.
wait, anchovies are in Worcestershire sauce?
Yes.
Read the label.
Now,
Ew, I hate anchovies.
Pull it out like that? Oh, okay.
that could be all.
Yeah,
Not in the
You're already adding Worcestershire. It's already in there.
That ain't happening,
Don't
Doc.
contaminate.
Why do you love it? Oh,
Okay, that's...
It's the best.
Can you tell
It's
us
already in. You're already adding it to the burger.
just the smallest form?
Yes.
Why do you love anchovies so
It's
much?
got the umami. It takes those taste buds, not the sweet and the sour ones, the ones that taste real. With that,
You're taking her down. You're taking the champion
without that umami excitement, the Mykonos burger is not the Mykonos burger. This is making it happen. You're welcome.
Dr. Oz.
All right, everybody. Reset.
So, okay, so somebody is going to make this patty for
Right
me.
here, we're ready
We
to
got
go.
to make the patty.
Somebody.
We're going to throw it on here, throw a little olive oil, which this is all really
You
hot
know,
now.
I gotta ask you: Are you a mix with your hands kind of? Thank you.
Yes.
Are you a mix with your hands?
I'm
kind
a
of
mix with
person?
my hands. I wash my hands frequently. I love that you're like totally commanding this right now.
No,
Like,
we're
how do
good.
we use
We're
this
good.
and
We're
make
good.
it not as hot right now?
No, don't do that. Just gonna blow it up in my face.
Guys, we're gonna have an explosion.
No, we're gonna get a little water in this pan. We're gonna cool it right down. This is cooking with a hot grill. That is one of the tips to making sure the
well, this is
backyard
what it would
barbecue
look
goes
like.
well.
Yeah.
It would look like
You
that.
said you
Sound
will.
and smell
I'm coming to your house because of that smell right there.
Oh,
So
yeah.
here's what I love about this. So a lot of people don't like to eat bread. And this is such an interesting, delicious burger you can eat totally plain like this because of the feta cheese and the stuff in there. And then we also make our tzatziki. So Dr. Oz obviously chopping up the cucumbers for the
Doing a good
tzatziki.
job at it.
Well,
So
in Turkey, this is what we eat all the time. And
my
we gave
God,
it to the
it's
Greeks as a
amazing.
present.
thank
He
you.
just wants you to rise
Did
to the
you
bait.
guys, are you saying you created this?
Well, you know that, of course.
I think the Greeks created everything, Dr. Oz.
Back
so-
out of this
So
conversation.
we can look this up, but we got some yogurt. We mix the pureed cucumber,
Just to be clear, so you take the cucumbers that I cut up, you
puree
mash
them,
them.
and then you strain them.
To take some of that
liquid
water
out.
out.
Yes, you have to strain them, and then you add the garlic, the dill, the lemon. There's some parsley in there, and you make tzatziki sauce. And I
you
want to
go.
make sure everyone knows how to say tzatziki. Guys, here's the test.
She's already dancing. Tzatziki.
Oppa.
Tzatziki.
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 Yes. Oppa.
Worcester.
Now what you do is you
Got
can
two words.
spread it on top of your burger or on your bun, and you have a Mykonos burger.
With a little
Now, as we finish
slice
these
of
Mykonos
cucumbers on
burgers,
Yeah, and you can do some sliced cucumbers on there too. It's
you and your dad had a big hamburger tradition, Laila.
We did. My dad used to love this little hamburger stand. It was like a hole in the wall, but he used to take us there after school. But their meat was always seasoned really well. But I could tell, and I love the way you put all that salt in
Yes.
there because that's what really brings
Well,
out the
I
flavor.
told you guys before, Wolfgang Puck taught me that it's all about like really layering in the salt and pepper. I used to be so scared to put salt and pepper on there. You gotta really like dose it to
on.
make it good. So you know.
Great. That's the beauty of cooking at home. Also, is you're controlling. You're dripping
Really good.
anchovy juice on me.
Oh,
I'm
man.
just
Dr. Oz,
handing
you're
it-
ruining my burger.
Oh, I'm trying to help.
Ew.